Take two. Hi, I am Kath. I'm a participation officer for Sally Holland and a parent of two teenagers on lockdown. And I thought this might be helpful, some ideas for parents, carers on things to do with teenagers whilst in a small space, because I read a really interesting article that Sally forwarded this morning from someone called Neil Frood, who is a professor who's done a lot of work around children's well-being and reflects upon sense of well-being of children in Britain kind of decreasing, really, more and more children feeling anxious, more and more under 10s suffering with anxiety and depression. And he came up with a few a nice little method of trying to support young people to develop that resilience and to be more positive. So he calls it what went well, because research shows that if you encourage children to reflect upon things that went well in their day, and they did that repeatedly over a course of time, then actually it is possible to feel glass half full rather than glass half empty. So he wrote all of his stuff obviously before lockdown, but I was thinking it'd be a really nice activity to do with children in lockdown. So what went well today, whilst we're in a small space together, to ask children to do about themselves and also to do about each other as a way of giving recognition and praise to each other. So as a parent, I would, say my children, what went well is that they are really giving each other space, but they're also really coming together to play. They are playing each other's games, so playing football, watching Benidorm, finding their things that they like doing together, but also breaking apart and having time to themselves. What went well is they wanted to come for a walk with me to get some fresh air, which is usually a battle. What went well is they are really helping out in the house. They're helping around and they're doing their homework. So they are, being brilliant. And actually, I think for them to recognise that themselves and maybe to share that with each other, what they think went well with each other. So the what went well, 3 things, nice, short and sweet. What went well today, get your kids to do it about themselves, about each other, and you could do it as a parent carer too.